So a grand welcome to all of you to the first ever East Zone Print Olympiad 2020. It is for the first time that an event at this scale is being organized specifically for printing and packaging programs across Eastern India and completely through online mode. The event aims at spreading the message of print education far and wide among the student community and will work as a common ground to bring them together with the industry, academia, and various professional bodies, help them expand their horizon and understanding of the technology beyond the classroom environment. As you know, that the National Print Olympiad is a program that has been successfully organized for 3 consecutive years now. And many of you had already booked tickets and made arrangements to attend the fourth iteration of the successful event. However, due to the present pandemic situation, it had to be postponed. But this ultimately led all of us to this event that is novel and first of its kind in India. And it has only been possible by the tireless efforts of Professor Kamal Mohan Chopra, who made this event a reality. He's a true visionary and a pioneer in printing education and in expanding the horizons of printing education among all the students community. As you know, that a program at this level is not possible without team effort. And under the leadership of Professor Chopra, the entire program was coordinated nationally by a stalwart in the printing academia, Professor Anjan Kumar Bharat, professor at the Department of Printing Technology, Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology, who made sure that everything goes smoothly. I would be amiss if I don't mention Dr. Vijen, assistant professor, Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology, Department of Printing Technology, and technical coordinator for the program, who has worked hard in the background. I'm also thankful to our regional coordinators, Professor Madhura Mahajan from PVG's Department of Kuwait Department of Printing Technology, Professor P.K.S. Lakshmi Priya, HOD Department of Printing Technology from Avinash Lingam University. It is my singular honor to welcome our chief guest, veteran industrialist Shri Dibbojyoti Kalita, President of All India Federation of Master Printers, and Shri R.N. Datta Barua, Honorary Joint Secretary, All India Federation of Master Printers, who have encouraged us through their august presence in this ceremony. I feel extremely happy to also welcome Shri Pallab Roy, Officer in Charge, Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Kolkata. Shri Roy is a veteran educationist and a teacher for excellence. He is an alumnus of the prestigious Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute of Kolkata. As the host institute, it is an honor to all of us to be part of this great and grand program. The Regional Institute of Printing Technology is a 64-year-old institute with a rich pedigree in being the beacon of technical education and knowledge for the past decades. It has been home to all budding technocrats and entrepreneurs of the Eastern and Northeastern India for the graphic communication industry. Our alumni are spread far and wide and has made a name for themselves and made this institute proud. We are privileged to be hosting the East Zone Print Olympiad 2020. And this competition would not have been possible without the active participation, guidance, and help from a panel of most esteemed and honorable judges from the industry and academia. We are proud to have with us Shri Surendra Dhote, CEO of Bharat Litho, President of Regional Institute of Printing Technology Alumni Association and All Bengal Printers Association, and ex-president of All India Federation of Master Printers. Shri Dhote is a veteran in the printing industry and has contributed meaningfully in the development of the industry over the years. We also have with us Shri Krishnendu Haldar, lecturer and head of the Department of Printing Technology, Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Kolkata. He is a young, dynamic educationist, and under his leadership, there has been multiple developments in the department. He has been a key person who is spearheading the upgradation process of curriculum to ensure that the students are kept up to date with the latest developments and needs of the printing industry. We are also proud to have the former principal of the Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Kolkata, Shri Diptendu Chaudhary, who is a veteran educationist and administrator in the field of printing education. Under his leadership, the institute has reached newer heights of success. Of course, we have with us Professor Kanai Chandrapal, professor and head of the Department of Printing Engineering, Jadavpur University. Professor Paul is my teacher and my guru. Professor Paul is a veteran educationist and a researcher for excellence with research publications in international journals with very high impact factors. Next, we have with us Dr. Shaumin Boshak, associate professor and former head of the department at the Department of Printing Engineering, Jadavpur University. He's also my teacher and my guru, and is an extremely knowledgeable educationist and researcher in the field of printing technology. Following, we have Shri Hemant Kumar Mishra, who is the Technical Director, Directorate of Printing, Stationery and Publication at Government of Odisha. He is a senior technocrat and a great contributor towards the development. The important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win, but to take part. The important thing in life is not to triumph, but to struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered, but to have fought well. So, my dear students, no matter what happens today, you are all winners and torchbearers of the printing technology for the future. My blessings and best wishes to all my dear students. Thank you.
Wishing very good morning to dear students. Kindly listen carefully all the rules for exam today. So the first thing is you will get the exam link on your registered WhatsApp number. Okay, so the WhatsApp number you have registered and you are receiving the messages. So from the same WhatsApp number you will get the link for your exam. Secondly, there will be 50 questions total and you will have 30 minutes to attempt. Okay, so time is quite less for 50 questions and each question is compulsory and total 50 marks will be there. So 50 questions, 50 marks and 30 minutes you have. And no negative marking is any negative marking is there in the exam. And automatically the link for obtaining the responses or for you to submit the exam, that will be closed automatically after half an hour. So after half an hour you would not be able to submit. So kindly take it as a most urgent thing to submit the exam before 30 minutes. And just remember it, we will remind you also 5 minutes earlier before submission of the exam or before the deadline of the exam. We will remind you also. But keep in mind that you will have to submit it anyway in 30 minutes. And further, 30% students of all the students who have submitted the responses or who have been appeared in the exam, their 30% students will go in next round. So winners will be 30 top students. So two things will decide your selection. Number one, maximum marks. So the person who will have maximum marks will be selected, the first one. But if 3, 4, 5 or 2 persons are having the same marks, then who has submitted the responses first, that will be the winner. Okay, so two things will be there. Again repeating. Firstly, the selection will be dependent upon the number of marks, number one, and secondly, if marks are equal, then who has submitted the response earlier, that will be the winner. Okay, and combinedly from all diploma and degree students, top 30% students will be selected today for round 2. So these all are the instructions for dear students. The most important thing to be noted, that is, please students, please don't keep your camera in the hidden mode. You have to make your camera in the on mode always. You have to keep your Zoom app in the working mode. Don't close the Zoom app anyway. Okay, किसी भी तरीके से आपको Zoom ऐप को कभी भी बंद नहीं करना है, अपने कैमरा को फोर्सफुली कभी भी स्टॉप नहीं करना है. Around 10 people, 10 judges, 5 judges and 5 other technical persons are monitoring you constantly. And in the exam 5 sections will be there. The first page will be your information page, जो कि must है. उसमें आपको अपना name, अपनी यूनिक आईडी, इंस्टीट्यूट नेम, ये सब फिल करना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट 5 सेक्शंस विल बी देयर एंड ईच सेक्शन विल हैव 10 मार्क्स. ओके, सो एक सेक्शन अगर आप अटेम्प्ट नहीं करते हैं तो उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट पे नहीं जा सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू गो वन बाय वन पेज. ओके, लाइक दिस. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, आफ्टर अटेम्प्टिंग ईच सेक्शन you have to come to Zoom app to show your presence. अपने प्रेजेंस दिखाने के लिए आपको 5 सेकंड 10 सेकंड के लिए Zoom app पे एक बार फिर से आना पड़ेगा. तो Zoom app को अपना ऑन रखें, किसी भी वे में Zoom app ऑफ नहीं होना चाहिए एग्जाम के टाइम. एंड एक सेक्शन जैसे ही कंप्लीट होता है, आप 5 सेकंड 10 सेकंड के लिए फिर से एक बार Zoom app पे आएंगे और आपका कैमरा हमेशा ऑन मोड में होना चाहिए, so that we can assure that no any cheating and anything else is happening. So these all are rule regulations, students. So if anyone having any doubt regarding, so you may ask also, yes, friends, in the chat box. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vijender ji, and thank you for all the hard work that you have done in the background to make today's event possible. Thanks a lot. And students, please, as sir has told, please write your doubts in the chat box so we can take individual doubts if you have any. Now, I would request our chief guest, Mr. Dipojyoti Kalita, who is a veteran industrialist and a great contributor to the cause of printing, and also the president of the All India Federation of Master Printers, to please give his inaugural address so that we can formally start the session, sir. Sir, requesting Mr. Kalita to give his inaugural address, sir.
Namaskar. So, good morning, all of you. Today, I am very happy and to inaugurate on behalf of All India Federation of Master Printers, East Zone Print Olympiad. But this is the brainchild of Offset Printers Association, Ludhiana, under the aegis of the All India Federation of Master Printers. I do appreciate OPA because of their innovative approach of organizing talent hunt zone wise, and FMP love to be part of these noble missions. In Olympiad, the talent hunt amongst the students undergoing different courses of printing technology is a really a right platform where from the career budding printing technologies will find a right directions. East Zone Print Olympiad will have much more emphasis as a printing technology has not groomed properly. In Eastern Zone, and this version of Print Olympiad will boost the student community and it will inspire the student of source printing technology as career. Now, I invite so many distinct guests here. I because Pallab Rao is here, Berel is here, so many personages there. So now, before my concluding, I like to chairman of Print Olympiad and our federation past president Kamal Supraji. He is a dynamic person. He called me before some days before. I agree. This is not a disappointed because this is a very model, and I'm very happy because Kamal Supra is the person from beginning. Is the last my 15 years. He's a dynamic person in all fraternity in printing business technology. He wants to do every time. He never keeping in sitting at home. He wants to do work for all peoples. So my special thanks to Kamalji. He is like a very talented, once again I'm telling you. And today, President OPA, Praveen Agarwal, National Coordinator, Anjan Kumar Banerjee, I have seen. And Joint Secretary, our AFMP, Raghavendra Datta is also coming for their vote of thanks. And my dear friends and my student, but for my health is not well. I already told Kamalji. So if you give me permission, so after a few minutes, I leave this meeting and I wishes to everyone for success this meeting. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mr. Kalita, for your kind words and your encouragement. We certainly understand, and we have learned from Professor Chopra that your health is not well now. So no problem. We will carry on and make sure that with the help and cooperation of all, this program becomes a grand success, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. After this, I would like to request our officer in charge, sir, of Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Shri Pallab Rai, who is the guest of honor in this session, to deliver his few words. And as I have already mentioned that Shri Roy is an alumni of Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, one of the premier institute in India. And he has been a lecturer in photography for over a decade now, and he's a veteran educationist. So if I could just request Shri Roy to deliver his address, sir.
All the dignitaries at the East Zone Print Olympiad. I am Pallab Rai, officer in charge of Regional Institute of Printing Technology and head of the department photography. It gives me immense pleasure that our institute is hosting this grand event. This is a one-of-a-kind event which brings students, industries, professionals, and academia together in a single platform with an aim to engage and expand the knowledge for printing technology. Aim of our institute has always been to expand the unique program like printing technology, photography, multimedia technology among the students community. Today's industry demands skilled technocrat and entrepreneurs. Our institute and its faculty members who are highly motivated and updated through training and other programs always try to help students to achieve their respective goals. We aspire to achieve an outcome-based education methodology in coming years. I believe this would be a game changer and ensure that the industry will be catered by knowledgeable, skilled, motivated, and outcome-oriented professionals. I'm really thankful to Professor Kaur for inviting me and would like to congratulate the team working with him. I also congratulate the National Coordinator, Professor Anjan Kumar Boral, for his effort in making this program a reality. Further, I would like to mention Mr. Shankho Devnath, my colleague here, and congratulate him for coordinating this massive endeavor and bringing students from different institutes of the Eastern region. I understand his efforts have been accepted well by the student community who have been shown great interest. I congratulate all our beloved students who have participated to become a successful not only in Eastern region but a national level in future. I wish this program a huge success and hope it will become a torchbearer for many such programs for expanding the printing education among the student and beyond. My best wishes for this program and all associated with it. Thanking you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind wishes and your blessings that you have bestowed and your constant encouragement to all of us in conducting and organizing this program in association with all stakeholders who are associated with it. I now request another stalwart in the printing education field, senior professor, full professor in the Department of Printing Technology, Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, and national coordinator for this Print Olympiad program, Professor Anjan Kumar Boral, to give his address, sir.
Thank you, Sankhya. Very good morning to all of you. Honorable Divyajit Kalitaji, President AIFMP and Chief Guest of today's inaugural session, Professor Kamal Chopra ji, Chairman, Print Olympiad 4th edition, dear judges and students. It's my great pleasure to be here today among you. This is the very first time Print Olympiad prior to the grade finally we are holding zonal wise competition. After North Zone, it is the turn for East Zone. And I am highly thankful that Sankhya, he has done a tremendous job. Over the few days, he has done all the jobs, all the tasks sincerely. I see this Print Olympiad in many different angles. When the event was started in 2014 in my department with the Kamalji's wide vision and all, what we have achieved, personally being the head of the department, what I have achieved during the period, the visibility of the department it increased manifold. We got students from all over the country. Through the LEAD program, our seats now it is being filled in the very first counseling, and there are so many students, those who are wishing to join, but we don't have seats. That is the very first point. Second, visibility of the university, the visibility of the department facilities. So these are the very plus points what I have achieved personally through this Print Olympiad for my department. And I am fortunate that Kamalji allowed to do the first 2 editions in my department and third one in Chandigarh, which also it was a great event. So very, it is not only the talent hunt for the students, but it is the showcasing the different institutes at the national level. It is a thing that will give a longer mileage in coming days what my department has achieved. And we are very proud of that Print Olympiad. Now it is a brand. It has a wide publicity, visibility, and acceptability throughout the nation. And the credit goes to our very own Kamalji. What he has done for my department, now he is spreading for all other departments in the country, which is a very good sign, because this is how we interconnect to each other, and we can do so many things in coming years. And many thanks to Sankhya, young dynamic boy, doing very great job. And the thing is, he does all the steps with the prior approval of the Kamalji and discusses with me. So it's a very good sign. He's a sincere boy, and I have a strong relationship with the RIPT, the East Zone, where I have started my career from 87 to 90. So it is a platform which gave me the thing to rise in the coming years. So a special bonding, a special attachment to RIPT, and I'm happy RIPT is hosting this East Zone. So that is a double happiness for me. With these words, I'm once again thankful to the East Zone team for inviting me. Best wishes for the great success, and thanks to Kamalji once again for everything. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Professor Baral, for your kind words and your blessings to all of us. And as you have rightly mentioned, that this is a platform which brings so many colleges, so many institutes, so many students and faculty members together, and we have all tried to bring as many institutes as possible. We have students from RIPT, Department of Printing Engineering. We trying to include more number of colleges from the eastern and northeastern zone of the India, and hopefully we can make this program a great success. Now, without further delay, I would request our guide, our mentor, who is the man behind all this, Professor Kamal Mohan Chopra, a veteran in the industry and a great leader in the cause of expansion of the printing education among the student community and throughout India. Professor Chopra, who is the brains behind the entire thing. Sir, please, I would now like to ask you to give your address and begin the session, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Deb. Thank you very much. And first of all, welcome all the students and be cheerful. Today you are going to be at the top. It's a ladder, just a ladder. One step you are going to write today, and next step maybe next time on first step, so on. Today we are going to select 20 students from this group who will be appearing for second round, where we will select the top 5 of the region. As our technical head Brajinder sir already informed you, the criteria of selection is not only marks, but marks in minimum time. Whosoever will get maximum answers in minimum time, he will be selected, or he can be selected. Consider both the things: minimum time, maximum answers. So all BCQ are there. There will be one question with 4 answers. 1 answer out of 4 is correct. You have to mark the correct answer, and so on. All other technical details already Brajinder has given you. And technical team sends us a link. That link I'll be sharing with the students just now. That link is in the Google form. It has 5 pages. First page is for filling your details regarding your name, unique ID, and all these things. Unless and until you will fill the first page, you will not be allowed to go to the second page. So you have to do the first page as early as possible. Then go to the second page, answer the question, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Mind it, you have to submit the question paper within 30 minutes. It is not automatic that automatically question paper will be taken at when the time is over. If you will not submit, you will not be able to submit after 30 minutes. So see the watch. Bajendra sir will be cautioning you the time remaining. Try to do it as early as possible and submit it before 30 minutes, because we have given the indication to the computer that if the 30 minutes are over, then question paper not be accepted at all, and the result will be prepared separately. After your question paper is submitted, the result will be prepared by a technical team in collaboration with the judges, and in that time we will talk with you regarding your technical difficulties or other professional difficulties. We have with us learned professors here, learned industries here. So in that time we will use for technical discussions. After that we will announce the judges, and we will announce that 20 students picked from this test. We have two set of questions. Since there are some diploma students and students are pursuing for the degree, so I have divided into two parts: BVOC, DVOC, diploma. This is one part which we call broadly name it diploma. BE, BTech, broadly we tell it graduate or degree. So there are two question papers, one for the diploma students, one for the degree students. But mind it, while evaluating the first 20, there will not be any discrepancy. There will be any discrepancy between these two. The result will be joint, and jointly we will pick the 20. That can be from any side. So while only the question paper is separate, the result is common. So now we are all ready. So before I go further, if any clarification is required now to any students, I'm there to give you the questions. After that, 30 minutes, you have to do it. Anything you want to ask any person. So any other question? Any other information you want? Any other thing you want? It is the time, then we will start it. So I will send you the link first to the degree students. So degree students, the link is already there with you. So this is the link for diploma students. So you all the students are already got the link. Open the link and start your paper. Next 30 minutes is for you. And all the judges, please be vigilant. Just see all the cams should be open. No students are allowed to put his cam, close his cam. And you can watch, we have 3 or 4 screens. You can go on the other screen, see if there's any students are doing something wrong. You can just mark in while preparing the result. You please count it. You cannot discuss, any students cannot discuss the thing with any other students, and you should remain always before the camera. Don't leave the camera at all. All the judges, please vigilant and check. To get the student is very simple. The names which are with some number, unique number, they are our students. Other are our guests. The names starting with easy PO, some number, they are students. All other are guests. So just see if everything is going well. Vijendra sir will give the time. This Pinky Adik, your cam is not working. Yeah, please put your cam on. Don't put off the cam. This Shubham, your cam is not working. Yeah, please put the cam on. Don't go out of the cam, please. So otherwise you can be disqualified, I tell you. Your cam must remain always open. Pallab, yes, sir. Vijendra sir, now you please take over.
One student has written that link is not opening. So please wait for 5-10 seconds after clicking, and it will surely open.
Every student, all the students, link is working.
No, link is working, sir. In fact, one student has only written.
Okay.
Sarabjit Banerjee. Yeah. You just
No
click the
problem.
link and just wait. It will open, Sarabjit.
When you will open the link, 30 minutes will start only then. Don't worry. If link is not working, there is some problem. Your 30 minutes will start when you open the link. If there's any, yeah, Vijender sir, please see there's some other messages also. This link is a Google Form link. It is written there is no Google Form. This link is, yeah, please. तेरा काम तो हो गया. Jadid, please scroll on the screen so that you can see all the students. Don't stick to one screen. Some students may be on other screens. So in your PCs, you will have 3 or 4 screens to watch. This Vijender sir, you just see the Lal Kamal Haldar has not put a unique ID. How he can that means he will be
Sir,
disqualified. Lal Kamal Haldar, he has not put a unique ID before the name.
Vijender sir, some of the students, 3 students have told me that the question is not there, and
But every student is getting the same link, sir. Link is same for all. There may be problem in their set.
I am telling, sir, what they can do. Sometimes they just click and after if 5 seconds not opening, they are just mentioned here. So they need to wait after clicking. They need to wait for 10 seconds to open. Sometimes connection is low, so they can wait for 10 seconds.
Sir, actually, Vijender sir, just see that Mr. Lal Kamal Haldar. Just see on the screen, his name is there, unique ID is not there.
Yeah, we will personally send what we can say.
So why they are doing like this?
Yeah.
I'm doing it.
sir, Kamal sir,
Sir, yes.
sir, I think many of the students are now saying this one Zoom registration confirmation link has been sent.
Sorry? No, I'm not getting you. How it will be? We have sent the same link to every student. They are opening something else. They are opening the old link. Sir, we have sent the same link to every student. If some students are getting, how is it possible others are not getting? It's only a group. We have sent in a group. So they must be prompting some other link.
No, sir, the link that they have forwarded to me is the one from Zoom confirmation link.
But we have not sent that. We have not sent that. It may be previously. Now we have sent only 2 links. If there is a problem, that should be with every student, not with one. Just let me check once again.
Problem is only from 50 Sarabjit Banerjee ji.
Sorry?
Sarabjit. The problem is faced by I think 050 Sarabjit Banerjee only, I think.
Sir, that way he is opening some other because we have sent the link in a group. We have made a group, not to individual students. We have sent a group. So how it can be? You can send him. I can send him once again. That's not a problem. He has a diploma degree.
Sir, all actually, because they are saying they have got this. Sir, Kamal sir, just check your WhatsApp. This is the message that they have received. That hi, some name. Thank you for registering in print. That message has been sent to.
Sir, actually the thing is they are opening some wrong link. I'm telling you because No problem. I can send the link once again to that person who is there, but he is not. I can. What is the name?
Sir, I think many I have received from EZPO 53 Shomiran Mondol and EZPO 50 Shubhadeep Banerjee.
Just a minute. One person or how many people?
The total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students.
I think all graduate students or any diploma students also having problem.
So 1 diploma student and 4 graduate students.
Yeah. I'm sending it again to the graduate students. यार फोन लेके इधर आ जा, तू उधर चली गई। Degree students. पता नहीं क्यों आ रही, किसकी में बैठा डिप्लोमा की वाली। किसकी की कंप्लेंट उसको भेज दो लिंक दोबारा। Sir, what can I do? I can send the link once again to the person who are complaining, but I don't think there should be any complaint.
Sir, kindly send it to 15D Kushal Mujumdar.
15 to 15?
15D diploma.
Diploma students already got.
60 graduate Rajiv Bhumi.
Graduate, I'll send all the group once again. That would have been better, because it will be diploma students have got the correct link, but which students not got it now? We can send it to that student only.
Diploma 15D.
Sir, Bijinder, I can send the link to you. You can send the. मैं आपको भेज दूँ. I can send to.
I think degree issue solved now, sir. Degree, I think they have got it.
Devnath, I'll send the link to you. You can forward to the person who is
Okay.
problem. But I'm sure the diploma students have got the correct link. There can be some problem with degree student. I've checked it. So they may not. By this way, they may not get the double time. Please, while sending it, please
Okay,
be sure. By this way, they
Yes,
will
sir.
get the double time. But don't send to the diploma students. They have got it. They are complaining. They complaint.
Okay.
You can tell me the name. I can check it here. What is the name of the students?
Sir, Kushal 15D diploma Kushal Mujumdar. 15, sir, 15, 1-5.
You can name. You can have the
No,
name.
1-5.
Naam de, what is it?
Kushal Mujumdar.
No, he has got the link. He has got the link. I can confirm. He has got the link. He has the link. He has the link.
For me.
Regarding diploma, there was some problem. I checked. There were 2 links were sent, but regarding degree, there is diploma. There is no problem. We can check it. We can show it. Either number. See here, you can see on the this cam. He has got the link.
Okay, sir.
This link is with him. Don't send the diploma link to anyone. They will have a double time by this way.
Okay, sir.
Vijendra sir, please check the time also.
Yeah. I have mentioned in the group also, sir. I have mentioned in the group chat also.
This is written. I'm not able to write anything on the form. Sir, the complaint of 15 is I'm not able to write anything on the form. It's not that I'm not.
Sir, he has to sign in. He is not signing in. I told him you have to sign in, and then otherwise he may enter multiple answers. No, you have to sign in to.
Signing is necessary, Vijendra ji? No, signing is not necessary. Sign to Google is not necessary. They just open the file and they can do it. Anybody can do it. Everybody else is doing. Vijendra sir, see the time now.
Yeah. Time now is 11:53. 10 minutes already over.
degree people may have some more time because the question paper was sent them late. देख किसी की मैसेज आ रहा प्रॉब्लम तो देख लो
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग सर बोलिए। Sir, they have to come back after each section. They have to come back. Just wait for a minute. They have to come back after each section. Yes. They have been assigned.
Bhajendraji, some cameras are not working. This
Just watching that.
58, 54, their cam is off.
38 Bashar, 30 Abhinandan, please switch on your camera, otherwise you will be disqualified.
This 58 also, 58 also.
58, yes. Six Shoudadip Day, switch on your camera, otherwise you will be disqualified. 30 Abhinandan, switch on.
54 and 58.
30 Abhinandan, switch on the Zoom. Go to Zoom app.
Zoom cam must be open always. Don't close the cam.
48
Yeah, they have closed the
Gopika.
cam. If the cam is not closed, the picture will become freeze, but the person will be appearing. So this 3 cam I'm seeing 007D Pinky Adik, 058, yeah, Pinky Adik is open now. This is 54 and 58 is still not open. We have to disqualify them. If they will not open the cam, we'll have to disqualify them. 058, 054, they have not opened the cam. Your cam must remain always open. Even while going on Google Form, the cam must remain open.
058 graduate Shabani Das, please switch on your cam. Go to the Zoom app.
48 also, this 048. Just check 054, 058, 048.
Sarfaraz, 54 Sarfaraz. 54 graduate Sarfaraz, switch on the camera.
Ravi bhai, welcome. Balasab, welcome Balasab. So many people here today. That's wonderful.
Last 9 minutes for diploma students.
Vijender sir, the person who are not opening the cam, even our instruction, we will have to disqualify them. There are 3 people, even after instructions, they are not opening the cam. Why they are not opening the cam?
48 Orpita Sardar, 48 diploma. Go to the Zoom app.
Yeah,
Right now.
it's there. It is there. 54 is not there yet.
Okay, 54 graduate Sarfaraz Ahmad. Switch on the Zoom app. Go to the Zoom app right now.
It was our first instruction, never stop the cam. Cam must remain open always. So we have to watch only through the cam. That is the only solution with us. We can't reach there. They are not still opening. 54 is not still opening. Your cam must remain always open. Mic must be mute and cam must be open. Mr. Sarfaraz Ahmed, your cam is not opening.
54. Candidate 54 Sarfaraz Ahmed. Go open the Zoom app. Switch on to the Zoom app. You have to follow this instruction, otherwise you have to be disqualified. You have to switch on the camera.
Tuhin Das also, this is 43, Tuhin Das.
Tuhin Das was, I think, 43 Tuhin Das. Go to the Zoom app. Yes, Tuhin Das is okay now. 43 is okay. But 54, he is not listening. 54 Sarfaraz Ahmed, he is not listening. He's still switched off his camera.
Just judges may note it. 54, they are working without cam, and without cam working is disqualification, nothing else. Even our so many warnings, they are not opening there. He is at PO 54, Sarfaraz Ahmed. But also, Bajinder sir, time. Bajinder is not here. So please ensure to submit within 30 minutes, otherwise the form will not be accepted. Please, Bajinder sir, please time. Your mic is mute, sir. Bajinder, mic open.
Only 6 minutes remaining for diploma students.
Try to submit as early as possible, because the qualification, the selection is made on the basis of maximum answers in minimum time. Mind it, maximum answers in minimum time. Otherwise, you will not be able to submit. If the time is over, you will not be able to submit it. And we will be helpless, because the computer operated in, even Bajinder can't do anything. So we will be helpless if you will not submit.
And some students are asking, every student must remain in the Zoom call until and unless the end of the session, when our honorable guest is announcing the result. Everyone must leave the Zoom call. Do not leave the Zoom call once you submit. You have to be in the Zoom call.
They should be there to know who are the top 20. We have to select top 20, Bajinder, this time.
Okay.
And after this, you will be in touch with the judges. And how you are going to finalize the result, at that time we will use for other purpose. We have with us our immediate past president, Mr. Ravi, is there, and we will ask him to say a few words after that. So we'll have a time, you will be given some time. In that time, we will utilize with the speeches of some learned persons. In the meantime, other students can also ask questions or anything technical they wish to ask. So after this, you will prepare the result going into the other room with the judges.
Okay, our judge, Krishendu Haldar judge, has told 22D, 22 diploma is not. Who is 22? Is it visible? Okay, now it is visible. Okay, now it is visible.
Only this is one is there, 54G. They are even after several warnings, that person is not opening. That leads to the disqualification.
Diploma students, only 3 minutes remaining.
In 3 minutes, please submit as early as possible. Otherwise,
Submitted. Diploma students submitted. Only 3 minutes remaining.
44D Tonima. 44D Tonima, please switch on the camera.
Diploma students, only 2 minutes remaining.
So it is preferable, diploma students, please submit your answer scripts before the end of time. Otherwise, none of your responses will be recorded. It is better before the end of time you submit your forms.
because it's too much again, then there can be some differences. What are trying to submit, because otherwise it will not be submitted. Diploma student must submit their question paper now.
Yes, diploma student, please submit now. Because for submitting also, as I told, sometime
Otherwise,
maybe.
you will not have time to submit. Please submit now.
Yes,
And
yes.
we have some time. How much time remains?
Only 1.5 minutes remaining.
For degree students.
For diploma, sir. For diploma, 1.5 minutes remaining.
But they should submit, because this time sometime it may create a problem.
Yes, it takes some time to submit also. Diploma students, please submit by now. Once the 30 minutes is over, the form will not automatically not accept any response. So whatever you try to submit, nothing will go on record.
Diploma students, last 1 minute. Already 35 students have submitted it. 35 students have already submitted it.
If any more diploma students left, everyone should submit by now. I think time is almost over. No more time left. Please submit.
Last 10 seconds to submit. Last 10 seconds to submit. Diploma students.
10 seconds means you have to submit now. It will take time in submitting. So please submit.
Yes,
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will not be able to submit. So this is the last.
Otherwise, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. अभी सबमिट हो गया तो हो गया.
एक क्वेश्चन और करने के चक्कर में बाकी ना खत्म हो जाए.
Vijendra sir, for degree, how much time left?
Diploma time is over. Degree.
Yes, diploma is over.
Yes, sir. Vijendra sir, for degree, how much time remains?
I think Vijendra sir is having some
Hello.
work.
बोलिए.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Can we stop, sir? Can we stop for diploma?
Already that's automatic, sir. It is automatic.
Okay.
The student will not be able to submit. Hari Vijendra, for degree, how much time is remaining?
In fact, 2 or 3 minutes we can give them extra. So at 12:15 we can.
Degree diploma time is over.
Yeah, diploma,
For
no
degree-
option to submit now.
For degree, we have 2 minutes more. Is it okay?
Yeah. Up to 12:15 we can. Up to 12:15, sir.
Okay, that's good.
3. Yeah.
I think after all the responses are recorded and the results are analyzed by the technical team and our esteemed judges, during the meantime, some of the dignitaries will be making their addresses, and once the results have been completely analyzed, I would, after that, our judges will provide their analysis and give their necessary address.
Last 1 minute for degree students. Last 30 seconds for degree students.
Degree students, I suggest please submit now. Some time will be required for submitting also, depending on the net connection. So please start submitting now.
Only 5 have submitted till now. Remaining, please. Only 5 have submitted till now
Please
for
submit,
degree.
degree students. So remaining, please submit. Degree students, hurry up, please submit now.
Only 6 submitted.
We have given you some extra time also due to the initial link that we are sent. So within this time, please submit. I request all the degree students kindly submit. Only 6 responses have been recorded from degree students. The rest remaining, please submit quickly now.
Submit now, degree students, just submit now.
It's okay. There are only 7 students, 6 are submitted. Okay now. Time is over.
Okay. I think
Now I will request the judges and our technical head Barjinder Kaushik to be together and formulate the results. In the meantime, we have with us our immediate past president, Mr. Ravindra Joshi. So I would like to invite him to say a few words. Students, it's a chance to know big thing from these learner personalities. Ravindra Joshi, please.
Good morning, everybody. My dear young students, I am really glad to see response for this concept of Print Olympiad. Excellent opportunity for you people to show your talent, which is now we have decided to do it on 2 different levels. One is on regional level and national level. So first of all, I congratulate you all to that you have participated in this competition, and I am really thankful to Professor Kamal Chopra ji, who is always trying to do every day something new for print industry, and you all are lucky to have such a mentor for this concept of Print Olympiad. Friends, we are into printing business. You are also student of printing industry, and I am really I feel to tell you that you should be proud to be the part of this industry, because it is the second largest industry in the world. Printing has secured a second position in the world economy. So you are opted for a very good career, I will say, in print industry. And if you work hard, if you learn all these latest technologies, if you study the softwares, the different type of engineering branches, then I don't think there is you will have to look back ever in your life. Ample opportunities are going to be there after this pandemic of COVID. So there is a little bit negative atmosphere at this moment, but students, you please be high your morale, because the opportunities are going to be great for you people. Once again, I think All India Federation of Master Printers with our dynamic leader Kamal Chopra has introduced this opportunity for you students who are really into in following their academics, and I feel that in the national level also you will do the excellent work. There may not be, few students may not be successful to go to the national level competition, but you should not get discouraged by that, because printing is a subject which every day something new is happening. So keep up this, your determination, try to follow up the new technology, new techniques. Now the world is changing, printing requirements are changing, printing technology is changing, and I'm really glad you all are following it very sincerely. On behalf of the Federation, I wish that many of my students should start their own printing units. Then the education will, the object of education will be served properly. Those who don't want to get into business, but they should stick to the printing industry business. That is my request to you. Don't go anywhere else in other industries. Printing will give you a lot. That is my confidence, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much, and looking to see you many printing presses and printing press owners from you students. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Kamal bhai. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And we have with us Balasaheb Ambekar, who is the president of Maharashtra Mudran Parishad. So Balasaheb, I invite you to say a few words. Balasaheb.
महाराष्ट्र परिषद के तरफ से मैं सब विद्यार्थियों को शुभकामना देता हूं। और अभी नया जगत है, नया सिचुएशन है और नया आपको कुछ और करना है। इसके बारे में हमारे कमल जी चोपड़ा ने जो एक प्रोग्राम रखा है, मैं उनको बधाई देता हूं। इससे हमारे जो प्रिंटिंग एसोसिएशन है उसके लिए एक कैडेट के मार्फत से हमें बहुत लाभ मिल सकता है और हम प्रिंटिंग इंडस्ट्री में एजुकेट करने के लिए आपको शुभकामना और देता हूं। मैंने आज यहाँ कमल चोपड़ा जी ने मेरे को बात करने की इजाजत दी, इसलिए उनका मैं आभारी हूं और आपको फिर एक बार शुभकामना देता हूं।
Thank you, Balasaheb. Thank you very much, sir. There are many other people, but before going further, I will ask the students if they want to say anything.
Hello, sir. I am Abhinandan Bhatta from third year printing from Regional Institute of Printing Technology. I'm a diploma student of the final year. I got a chance to participate in a print Olympiad in Mangalore with my junior Akash Samanto. So due to this pandemic, the print Olympiad was postponed. So I was excited for this print Olympiad, but it was disappointing for this pandemic situation. And Olympiad, I gave some math Olympiad, but never heard of print Olympiad. But like any other trade, like civil, mechanical, or any other trade, but printing is a less known subject in general. So print Olympiad, I think it's interesting and also a good opportunity for students like us to participate and see the printing technologies all over the world and to know them. Also, it's a great experience for being participate, and thank you SD sir and Kamal sir for prepare this online method of this print Olympiad, and that's all I want to say. Thank you.
Thanks, Abhinandan. I may tell that regarding two things which you tell, that printing is less known profession. You're right, printing is everywhere, but definitely people don't know about it. And the last near about 17 years, I'm starting working on these lines. This print Olympiad is also in that line, so that the people must know. Today, when this thing is happening, the news is coming in the papers, the winner will be there, so somebody will know about the printing. I tell you, for all the students, printing is the biggest profession of the world. And definitely it is the best one, because in printing, nobody can be unemployed. Don't we have with us Mr. Buddhaban Behra, who has done it in Odisha. So Buddhaban Behra is a success story. He will tell you. Yeah.
Namaste. सबको नमस्कार. I am from RIPT 87 to 90. My colleague is Anjan Baral. He is in academic. I am in business. After doing some year job in Thomson Press, I started my own business in Bhubaneswar. Now I have the Printech Offset in the name of Printech Offset Private Limited, which is the biggest and largest press in the state of Odisha. And we have all the brand new Heidelberg machineries, 3 printing machines, 2 CTP machines, 3 folding machines, Muller machine, binding machine, and all are new machines we have. In Odisha, only government press has the new machines, and we have the new machines. And other members are so many other presses, those who have not new machineries. We have take the strength to bring the new machine because we have the passion and we know the technology. We want to come with the technology, the advanced technology we are always adopting. So that's all. And all the new freshers, those who are learning in diploma, degree, whatever they may be, printing is a very good profession, as Kamalji told, and everybody should not be, they should be very sure about their job. And there is a great opportunity in India to run their own business also. If they want to establish anything, there are so many people from the institutes, those can guide you. So anybody wants to do their job, they can join their job. And anybody wants to make their own venture, they can start their own venture. God bless you. Thank you all. Namaste, Kamalji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So that way, Abhinandan, I was telling that this is nothing you can say that printing is unknown. Nobody can live without printing. You know, in the morning when you go to the breakfast table, there's a cup printed with C, there's a bottle printed. A cup is printed. Your clothes are printed. Don't stick ink on paper. So nobody in the world, even if he's the poorest person or the richest person, can't remain touching this invention several times in a day. Currency note, we always touch. So regarding a print Olympiad, I may tell that this is a good opportunity because we are catching the opportunities. Nowadays, online things are there and online will come. So students must learn the online also, online systems also. We started it like this, and we are getting good response. Definitely, we will have the national once again when the government permits at Manipal. So we have with us Brahmanand Giri. He wants to say something. Mr. Brahmanand Giri. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all of you and all respected person. I am Brahmanand Giri from Regional Institute of Printing Technology, second year student. This is a great opportunity for me to join this type of competition. It's Olympiad Printing Technology. So I am very thankful to you, Kamal sir, and also very much thankful to you, our guidelines teacher, also Shankur Devnath sir. So sir, I have one question about our industry, that we are learning in our institute. It's okay, sir, but if possible, some training or in machinery manufacturing companies is good for us. If possible, then you would something do for our students.
Brahmanand sir, you want to study the printing machinery manufacturing?
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Actually, I was just checking. Our president of IPAMA, Mr. Dyakar Reddy, was to join, but due to some technical problem, he was not able to join. I asked him to come because this question came to us at our North meeting also. Some students wish to join the machinery manufacturing. It's not a problem. After completing your studies, you can let me know. There are many Indian printing machineries manufacturing agencies which are making world-class machinery. You can go as an apprentice there because at present you are not learning to manufacture the machinery. You have to learn with this basic knowledge of printing. You can learn there, and it's not a big problem. It's a very, very easy thing. there are some very classic machines are manufactured in India, which is exported world over. So we can send you as an apprentice there. Any student wish to go for machinery manufacturing, after completing the study, just contact me. We will mark you. We have already talked with the machinery manufacturers. That's why I invited Dakar also for this meeting. He's because we have two associations. One is All India Federation of Master Printers, which is deals with the printers only. There's another association, Indian Printing Machinery Manufacturer Association, called EPAMA. So they are the machinery manufacturers association. I already talked with him, and they are ready to provide such facilities to any students. Presently, there is not any printing institute like that where you can learn the machinery manufacturing, printing machinery manufacturing. So anybody else? Anything else you want to know, Mr. Brahman?
Yeah, nothing, sir.
Okay. So regarding this Print Olympiad, I may tell that we have divided into 4. It's a good opportunity because now in every region we will have a top student. The top student will get 25,000. The finalists, 5 finalists in every region will get 5,000 each. We will close this only at this point. What I mean, we will choose top student of the region. In this written question, we will, as today, we will be having 20 students who will appear for the second round. In the second round, there will be only 1 question paper, common for diploma and degree, and 5 top of the region will be selected. All the 5 will be given 5,000 each. From those 5, then there will be oral round, no written round, because our final selection are based on oral round only. We will send you a list of topics, near about 15 topics. Out of those topics, we will give you 5 at the time you will call to speak, and you will have to speak on any one of these 5. At that time, judging will be done, as in the last meeting also I told it, judging will be done internationally. The capability of the students. So see, you are becoming internationally favored. Internationally, you will be appearing on, at that time, we will broadcast it. This time we are not broadcasting the final, when we will select the final one, it will be broadcasted world over, and you will be becoming famous all over the world. This thing will boost your career also. In the career, you have the opportunity to tell. So this is the system of selection. Regarding the national finale, which we hold every year, due to this pandemic, this lockdown condition, it was not possible to hold in time. So we'll do it when the government permits. It will be held at Banipal. Any students, not only the selected 5, but any students can participate there. We'll give some relaxation to the 5 top students, maybe some financial help or other, that's not decided, but any students can participate in that. And that selection is only oral round. There is only oral round selection. So that will be conducted maybe, well, I can't say the date because only when the government will permit. We have some date in the mind, but I don't know whether it will be permitted by the government or not. Where the student gets 1 lakh, top schools of the country. So now this struggle is for the top student of the region, not of the state, not of the city, of the region.
Actually, there is one.
Your here, one of you is going to be the top student of East region.
20th candidate. Not.
So these 20 who will be selected today, they will be appearing for the second round. Mr. Brahmanand Giri wants to say something. Yes, Brahmanand, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am requesting you kindly share your experience in our industry, sir.
Actually, I just called Vrindavan. That's what I called him there. Everyone in the industry, see, he was working at Thomson, and today, you don't know, I don't want to disclose his turnover. If you go to his press, you will not find a government press better than that. It's a very big press. From where he has made. He's a student from your, he was a student just like you. And he has not drawn any money from his parents. It's only with his own money.
Yes, sir.
Everything is done with, so you can do it. So in printing, that's why I'm telling you, it's a fact that printing is the biggest profession in which you can start your press within 10,000 even. And you can reach up to many heights. Only thing is your mind and your commitment. The best thing, the commitment which Mr. Bidra was having, that type of commitment is required. And the commitment is there,
Yes,
you
sir,
can
thank
raise
you.
to any heights. In
Sir, thank you.
printing, there's no shortcoming.
Okay, sir.
The printing, you can rose to any height.
Yes, sir.
Only sky is the limit. So now our other thing, the result is ready, but let us see what the judges have to say about your work.
Sir, I will first start with our senior most judge, Sri Surendra Dhote sir, who is here with us, very senior industry professional, veteran industrialist sir.
This is a very good procedure and needs more publicity in Eastern Zone to get popularity of this unique print Olympiad. We had very short amount of students here, but it should be getting more popular day by day, and we would be getting more students. That's very important. We couldn't see the questions and we couldn't see the answers also of that very well nicely. So I would say that should be also exposed to us very much, so that we can see the quality of the questions that are coming in. But this has been a unique idea, and the thing has been very nice. And Shankha has done a lot a good job, and he has worked very hard on it. Let's see that next time this would be getting much more better, in a better way, and our other professional or other professionals, other professors would help us to get it more popularly done. So that's where I think this has been a good approach, and Kamalji has done a good job with everybody taking into consideration and taking everybody into grip. Very nice. Thank you, Kamalji. Good. It's done good. Shankho is a very good job. Thank you very much. And I congratulate you also for the whole thing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would request our former principal, Mr. Diptendu Chaudhary, sir, say your few words and regarding the analysis of the result, how the students performed.
Shankho, thanks to you. Good afternoon to all of you. So already I have spoken in many platforms. This is a really very good job which is being done by Professor Kamal Chopra ji under the aegis of Master Printers, All India Master Printers Federation. It's very good. Today when I was watching this competition, I feel sorry for one of my student 54G. He was not in the camp. I do not know whether it's a technical fault or not. However, as per rule, we could have rejected to this student. I hope he should not be frustrated in the next time. After the competition was over, I saw him in the camp. However, I think in the next time he will be more careful, and he should not should follow the rule of the competition, and so that he can do better in the next time. And for the other students, I find many of my students, when I retired in 2018 from RIPT, the students' face I can see they were in the first year that time. Now they are in second year. So really, I feel that I have gone back to my institute. My dear students, I really congratulate to all of you for participating. It's not the matter whether you in the top 5 or not, because it is a competition. Some will come, some will not. It's not the matter. I think the main aim of Print Olympiad is to motivate the students so that they can explore themselves in much better way. Along with the study, they also study internet and see what developments in printing industry is coming up to take up the challenge like this. And this Print Olympiad, it is not the first time. It has been started by the Kamalji for 4 years back. But this year, the specialty and uniqueness is that this Print Olympiad online is the first time. Earlier, it was a common national platform. When I was principal, I was used to send my students for this national championship. But this year also, they decided to hold the national championship. But somehow, due to pandemic, it has been divided into 4 regions, and I think it's good. The region-wise, it's good. It's there are many bad effects of pandemic, but one good effect of pandemic I see that this national championship has been divided into 4 regions. So more students are getting chances. They are more motivated, and Print Olympiad, Professor Kamal Chopra ji, AIMG, they are all working as a motivator and facilitator. And I think our students must be very charged for their study they are carrying on in the institute, and they will do very better in future. And as Kamal ji has said, this is a very good profession. I tell you, with my all confidence, I tell you, and there are many fields remaining unexplored. Now it is up to you how long you will go to take the challenge and take up this challenge of the industry to come at the top. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you for your encouragement and your kind words, sir. Now I will go to Professor Shaumen Boshak, my teacher, my guru at Jadavpur University, sir. I would request you to say your few words and your experience attending this, your analysis of the students' performance, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. First, I want to congratulate our participants. This type of program will give you a lot of confidence. I think this program also reminded you of school level memories. Most of you already participated different Olympiads like mathematics Olympiad, physics, etc. at school level. Today, it is a East Zone Print Olympiad first round competition. In any competition, we have to make a list based on the examination. Here, we also prepared a list combining degree and diploma participants. That is 20, total number of 20 participants. Your effort was enormous. All the best for the second round. Also, I want to thank the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. And next, I would request Mr. Hemant Mushra, sir, who has been kind enough to be patient and conduct the entire event as a judge. Sir, Mr. Mishra, sir, if you could say
Namaskar,
your
sir.
feedback and your.
Good afternoon, sir. It's a pleasure, sir. Actually, I am an RIPTN passing out in the year 1985. I'm working as the Director Technical and Principal in School of Printing and Allied Trades, Odisha. Actually, of course, it's an opportunity for me to come across with stalwarts at the national level, along with the students, emerging students all over the country. Actually, sir, it is definitely this Olympiad event, it will definitely go a long way to identify the core potentials of the country. But sir, in a very small session, I want to just share some few views. Like this question pattern should be planned strategically, right? Sir? So the strategically means what I would say, the question should be designed in identifying the core potentials in particular fields like maintenance division, R&D division, academic division. A particular Olympiad a question pattern should confine to only maintenance division. So in the country level, who are those people who can be diverted to maintenance wing? The entire maintenance team should be constructed nationally, should be deployed in state level for effective. I feel, I being a director technical working for last 31 years in the state, I feel there is severe crisis in maintenance so far as the digital technology in printing domain is concerned. So I think, sir, this is a very small advice or suggestion, I would say. And the people, they BTech, diploma holders, flourishing students, those who are in the R&D sector can innovate something. Questions should be designed in that pattern also in some occasions. In some occasions, academicians like Mr. Anjan Baral, one of our RIPTN, holding such a veteran work, leading the entire event. I'm proud of him, he being my junior and getting strong support and cooperation with Kamal Shah. It's really marvelous, pride to see. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I think Mr. Mishra has raised a very important point regarding how we can identify students with knack on specific discipline within printing technology so that they can be deployed in various fields within subdivisions or niches in the printing sector after they graduate. And next, I would request my HOD, Mr. Krishnendu Haldar, HOD, Department of Printing Technology at RIPT. Sir, please share your experience today and the analysis of the students' performance, sir.
Good afternoon, all. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Mohan Chopra and his technical team and all other organizations to make it this very grand success. And I would like to also congratulate our moderator or coordinator, East Zone coordinator Shankho Devnath, for conducting this particular kind of print Olympiads for our Eastern Zone students. The thing I would like to say about for the analytical part of the questions, that is, it's very beautifully organized or sent by our technical team, and I believe that in order to find the results, it's very easy for the judges to catch up that which students or the the number of students can be participate for the next round. That's very easy for us, and then for the students, those who have already participated, it will motivate them, to or encourage them to participate these many of such occasions, and they will create their confidence. They will increase their confidence, and that will help in their coming days when they will move to the professional sphere. So I believe for these occasions, those the technical team will publish the results in a very soon, and I believe those students who did not catch up with these results, they don't they don't lose hope, and it will happen sometimes, but it's okay. You should be charged up and geared up, and you will try to find what are the loopholes you can fill yourself up, and for the students who will get selected, they should be geared up for the next session. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I think we are ready with the results, but before we declare, I would request Mr. R.N. Datta Borua, who is the Honorary Joint Secretary of the All India Federation of Master Printers, to share his views, share his experience on today's session, and ultimately declare the results that we have with us, sir. Mr. Borua, sir.
Having it, since it's only an online platform now, I'm sure we can have it more often now, so that more people can participate and people get more used to, and people will get more ideas about these things, So then what will happen is that our printing will also develop to a world-class standard. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Regarding the suggestion given by the judges, we have noted it, and my technical team has already intimated that we have noted, and we will do it according to the suggestions made by, especially Hemant sir. He has made some good suggestion, and that our Dhote sir said that we should send the question before. Definitely, we will share that also. It is available already on the online, because now we will on your suggestion we will change some systems, and I will request Brijender to do some changes in it so that things become more prominent, more practical, and more transparent. So definitely thanks, Sankhya, for your hard work. Definitely you did a lot, and we already know that we have the result, but I will give the opportunity to declare the result to our Joint Secretary, All India Federation of Master Printers, Mr. Raghuvinder Datta Borua.
For the top 20 list, as per the judging, is the serial number 1 is Akash Samanta from RIPT. Akash Samanta, then Subhajit Banerjee from Jadavpur University, Sumana Datta from Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Suranjana Maiti from RIPT, Harshaman Sur from Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Pinky Adak from Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Subhabrata Acharya from RIPT, Pranav Kanti Purkait from RIPT, Soratip Day from Derozio Memorial College, Pinjura Khatun from RIPT, Atanu Mandal from the RIPT, Abhinandan Bhatta from RIPT, Petlanki India from RIPT, Bashar Iqbal from RIPT, Tanima Ghosh from Derozio Memorial College, Suman Chatterjee from Jadavpur University, Sujay Oja from RIPT, Swagata Das from RIPT, Swarup Das from RIPT, and Pritha Roy from the RIPT. Congratulations to you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I have also shared the file, so the results are there. So these are the top 20. For the top 20, now it's a difficult. Yesterday, some of the students had asked me about this thing. I told them that while you go up, the oxygen level is always less. So next question, next time, it will be harder questions. And it will be combined questions about degree and diploma, no differences. System will be the same as we have followed today. We are seeing today that, I'm sorry that one student was rejected by the judges who has not switch on his cam. There can be some technical reason, but the technical reason you have to sort it out. We have written the letter also before coming, just ensure that electricity is there, internet is there. So in the online system, we have to do all these things. We have to follow all these things. These are norms for the future also. So thank you very much, all the judges. Thank you for participants. And definitely I wish you all a great success. As earlier Shankana said that it is very much right. Participation is winning. Participation is winning. Winning doesn't mean this is a count. But whosoever participate, he is a winner. Every participant is a winner. So for these 20, we will have another round to select the top five amongst these 20 people. So thank you very much. Thank you all. Thanks for your time. Thanks for our coordinators. Definitely, I'm thankful to RIPT who are hosting this thing. Thank to RIPT, all the staff of the RIPT, and thanks the judges for sparing your time. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, sir.